Hello guys, it will be 1 year since we have come to Germany and we thought today why not we try a German dish for the first time, and today we are going to make Spätzle. So firstly we need to cook water and put some salt in it, which has already been done. Now we need to pour the Spätzle in this and cook it for 3 minutes. So now we have heated a pan and we have taken Kerrygold original Irish butter, and now I don't know how much quantity we need to put butter, but butter always tastes good, so let's try it. For sure I am not master chef, but I am a chef who is improving. So ooh, looks delicious. Anything with butter, cheese should always be good. Now that the butter has melted, let us pour some onions. This is now that the onions are roasting in butter, let us drain the water out of this Spätzle. And since we don't have a sieving machine, let us do some jugaad and drain the water out of this. So this is the jugaad and let it drain. Till that time, let us roast the onions, and yeah, smells delicious. Ooh. Now we have Spätzle and the water has been drained up to a certain extent. Now let us pour it in our pan. So now I have with me Schlagsahne. I don't know what it is, but let's pour it. It's cream basically, so it should taste good. And also I have German Gouda, and this is cheese basically. So let me also pour cheese. Only thing left to do is now stirring. So this is a typical German dish, and after being in Germany for 1 year, this is the first attempt to cook some German dish, and it's simple. Doesn't look that difficult. Ooh. With all the cheese, it's already looking yummy, and yeah, let's hope it tastes delicious as much as it looks. So we already have a special guest who would be doing the tasting session. He's master chef, and let's get the review directly from him at the end. Now we have heated this Spätzle for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now is the time to serve this dish. One of the important things when cooking food is to make it look more awesome. So I have with me today lauk, I think it's spring onions. So remember guys, whatever you cook, at the end serving it is more important. How it looks at the end is more important, because you guys who are watching this video cannot for sure taste this. So looking at it, and it should look delicious. So how to make it? Ooh, here is our dish ready. So here the food is ready, and we have a special guest to taste it, and also in case the food does not taste good, I have prepared some chicken so that it's always delicious. So here is our Smrithin, and he's gonna taste it now and say it.
भाई स्वाद आ गया भाई